once said, to be an artist is to believe in life. The art department's ethos is every child is an artist. We build our curriculum on 4 pillars: observation, ideas, development, and outcome.
Our key pillars of learning are part of a spiral curriculum, meaning that crucial skills are woven into each project. The art curriculum actively encourages students to push their potential by building resilience and confidence through success. Students are taught the fundamentals of drawing early in Year 7 to drive creativity and imagination in future projects. An understanding of art and its impact on society nurtures a lifelong appreciation of the subject. Students investigate a broad range of diverse artists, both contemporary and historical, expanding their cultural and social awareness, which further develops their emotional and cognitive skills. Students are encouraged to experiment with varied techniques to develop their individuality as an artist.
Drawing what you see and not what you imagine is key to developing visual perception. Our Key Stage 3 curriculum matches the expectations of the national curriculum. The first project in Year 7 has an emphasis on observational drawing, one of our key pillars. This project is based on a book called Drawing with the Right Brain by Betty Edwards and provides students with a fantastic introduction to what fine art is. After, we move on to animal portraits by painting an animal jungle inspired by Henri Rousseau, and an introduction to surrealism encourages students to develop their own ideas about dreamlike objects. Drawing is not limited to pencil on paper. Observations can be recorded using a diverse range of techniques, such as paper folding. In Year 8, students explore origami through their Fabulous Foods project.
Banksy also inspires us with a protest project, where students learn about the importance of making a statement and its effectiveness and impact on social commentary. In Year 9, students learn about the transfer of 2-dimensional drawings into 3-dimensional forms. A Henry Moore project allows students to build their understanding of the human form through abstraction. Students then explore abstract forms through their own ideas using the medium of sculpture. Finally, an Icons project allows students to start to build portrait techniques in more depth by researching the techniques and methods of Kehinde Wiley and Amadeo Modigliani.
Students begin Component 1 of their GCSE in Year 10. Reflections is an introductory project that shows students how to build their own GCSE portfolio. Students explore work at a larger scale and analyse artists in depth through experimentation with new materials, including a mini printing unit, which builds new techniques and processes. The Everyday allows students to explore their own artists and ideas, giving creative freedom to use appropriate materials to their personal strengths. Students focus on AO3, observation, and AO1, research and ideas from January onwards. In Year 11, students complete their Component 1 project by exploring AO2, development of ideas, and personal outcome, their final piece. Students will work on Component 2 in January. A theme is set by the exam board, which requires evidence of AO1, AO2, AO3 and AO4. This concludes with a 10-hour sustained period of examination, spread over 2 days. Independent preparation work enables students to enter the exam period secure in the knowledge that they know what they're going to produce. By this point, students have been through the building a portfolio process twice. This gives them the confidence to be successful.
In our art lessons, you'll see teachers using a visualiser to show live demonstrations of the techniques and processes that students are learning. It is really important that our students are observing the teacher approach the same artwork as them in order for them to develop their skills. Live marking means that each student gets a one-to-one teacher contact in each lesson. Our art teachers will talk to students individually to give them, in the moment, live feed forward.
Oracy is also woven into the curriculum. Students debate and discuss different artists to develop their identity and express empathy when using listening skills.